Hello, I'm Chong Kai Dong. In this video, I'm going to talk about the relationship between the website performance of the universities and the total number of students of the universities. Also, the relationship of the status of the universities, which is either public or private, and the total number of students of the university. The university's ranking in this dashboard is based on the QS ranking 2019, which is from 400 to 600. We run some audits for all of these universities' website, and the results is shown in this table right here. In this dashboard, we can see the average number of students for all of these universities, which is about 23,000. Among all these universities' websites, their average website accessibility is about 70, which is not a bad number for me. But for their website performance, the average is less than 40, which is quite low. So if we go through this table right here, we can see that the performance of this website is not uniform when we start from rank 400 to 600. This means that the ranking of the universities is not affecting the performance of the website. For example, if we check out the university which has the highest number of students, which is the Cairo University, although it has almost 17,000 students, but its website performance is just audited as 1. And last but not least, we can see the visualization of the total student for both public and private universities. Public university takes over 93.43% of the students, which is almost 4.4 million, while private universities almost 7%, which is 30,000. Thank you.